What's wrong with you?
They're going to set the plane on fire.
You think I'm a coward? We have an announcement.
Yeah?
I asked her to marry me.
And of course I said yes.
Wow. Congratulations.
Sir.
For you.
Please settle down. Everyone will be taking off shortly.
Flight is ready for takeoff. Thank you for your patience.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is not your captain speaking.
Sir, please, you shouldn't be up here.
You are going to do the job of the man.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is a bomb on display. Stand up.
It has to be on display.
That's our national airline standing there with Nigerian citizens on board.
The only English people understand shoot and kill.
Hey, everybody keep quiet.
Yes.
If you try us, we are prepared to do whatever it takes to reclaim our stolen mandate.
This is our doctor on board.
Mayday. We have hijackers on board. Mayday, please advise. Mayday.
We do this for the love of fatherland. We go.
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 We go.